Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there lived a family of 3 bears in the forest. One morning, their porridge was too hot to eat, so they went for a walk instead. While they were out, a naughty little girl named Goldilocks came wandering through the woods. She entered their house. She saw a table with 3 bowls of porridge. There was one large bowl, one middle-sized bowl, and one small bowl. Goldilocks sat on the biggest chair and tried the porridge from the biggest bowl. But the cushion on the chair was very hard and the porridge too hot. Then she settled in the smaller chair. She tried some porridge from the smaller bowl, but the chair was too soft and the porridge too cold. Finally, she jumped into the tiny chair and tasted some porridge from the small bowl. It was delicious. But her weight broke the chair into pieces. Goldilocks went upstairs. There was one bedroom with 3 beds. She climbed into the big bed, but it was too hard. The middle bed was far too soft. Then Goldilocks climbed into the smallest bed. It was perfect. Soon Goldilocks fell asleep. The 3 bears came back home. When they looked at their bowls, they were shocked. Someone had eaten Baby Bear's porridge. They even realized that somebody had been sitting on their chairs. Baby Bear saw his broken chair and sobbed. They went upstairs to their bedroom. Baby Bear saw Goldilocks and screamed, "Somebody's been sleeping in my bed!" He screamed so loudly that Goldilocks woke up. She ran into the forest. The 3 bears never saw her again.